Ever feel like clear skin is just a luxury you can't afford? Tired of the advice from influencers promoting expensive skincare products you can't buy? What if I told you that you don't need to spend a ton of money to get that glowing, clear skin? In today's video, I'm sharing 8 Korean DIY remedies that are not only affordable, but super effective. Let's get started. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Let's start with the basics. It might sound simple, but cleansing is actually the most important step to getting clear, glowing skin. Koreans swear by cleansing as the foundation of their skincare routine. If your face isn't clean, nothing else you put on it will work as well. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and impurities, giving your skin a fresh start. You don't need anything fancy, just a gentle, natural cleanser will do the trick. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's gel-based, cream-based, or oil-based. Apply a small amount to damp skin, massage it in gently for about a minute, then rinse with lukewarm water. Make sure to cleanse morning and night, and your skin will feel fresh, clean, and ready for the next steps. Step 2. Make your own DIY Korean mask. Now that your skin is clean, it's time to treat it with a DIY mask. Korean skincare is all about natural ingredients. Mask remedy number 1. Milk mask, which is one of my favorite masks. Mix 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply it evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells and brightens the complexion. The proteins and fats in milk help hydrate and soften the skin, while honey soothes and nourishes, calming any irritation. This mask works wonders for giving your skin a smooth, glowing finish. Koreans love this simple remedy for its ability to deliver radiant, healthy skin without spending a lot of money. Remedy 2. Cucumber mask. Koreans have long used cucumber for its cooling and soothing properties, often incorporating it into their skincare routine for its ability to calm sensitive skin and restore balance. For this cucumber mask, blend half a cucumber into a smooth paste. Apply the paste generously to your face, making sure to avoid the eyes, and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Cucumber is a powerhouse of hydration, as it's composed mostly of water, helping to reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes. Remedy 3. Rice mask. To make a rice mask, take 2 tablespoons of uncooked rice and cook it with just a little water, enough to soften the grains. Once the rice is cooked, drain the excess water and mash the rice into a paste. Apply this paste to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Rice has been a staple in Korean skincare for centuries. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamins, including vitamin E, which helps to repair damaged skin and protect against free radicals. It's a traditional remedy that provides soft, glowing skin without needing expensive ingredients or treatments. Remedy 4. Banana peel mask. In Korean skincare, banana peels are often used for their anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. This natural mask is perfect for those looking to brighten and hydrate their skin while tackling blemishes and rough patches. For the banana peel mask, take a banana peel and cut it into smaller pieces. Gently rub the inside of the peel on your face, focusing on areas with blemishes or dryness. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Banana peels are rich in antioxidants, vitamins B6 and B12, and potassium. These nutrients help nourish and hydrate the skin, while the antioxidants protect against free radicals that can cause premature aging. Remedy 5. Egg mask. For the egg mask, whisk 1 egg white and mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply this mixture evenly to your face, leaving it on for about 10-15 minutes until it dries. Egg whites are known for their ability to tighten and firm the skin. They contain albumin, a protein that helps reduce the appearance of pores and improve skin elasticity. Honey, on the other hand, is naturally antibacterial and helps to soothe and moisturize the skin. This combination not only helps with tightening the skin and reducing oiliness, but also promotes a smoother, more even texture. Remedy 6. Coffee and honey under eye mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of finely ground coffee with 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of water. Gently apply the mixture under your eyes, focusing on dark circles or puffiness. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Coffee contains caffeine, which stimulates blood circulation, helping to reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes, giving it a smoother and more refreshed look. Remedy 7. Rice water toner. In Korean culture, rice has long been regarded as a beauty secret, cherished for its many skin benefits. Koreans have used rice water for centuries, passing it down through generations as a natural remedy ready to enhance the skin's health and radiance. For the rice water toner, take half a cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly to remove any impurities. Soak the rice in a bowl of water for about 20-30 minutes, allowing the water to absorb all the nourishing nutrients. After soaking, strain the rice water into a clean container and store it in the fridge. Apply it as a toner after cleansing, using a cotton pad to gently swipe the water across your face. Rice is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help nourish the skin, making it a go-to ingredient in Korean beauty routines. It's a beloved staple in Korean skincare not just because it's affordable, but because it's incredibly effective at balancing and rejuvenating the skin. Remedy 8. Green tea mask. Steep 1 green tea bag in hot water for 3 minutes, then let it cool. Open the bag and mix the leaves with 1 tablespoon of honey to create a paste. Apply it to your face, leave it for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Green tea calms the skin and reduces irritation, while honey hydrates and softens. This simple mask is perfect for sensitive or stressed skin, providing a fresh, youthful glow. Koreans love it for its ability to balance skin, making it a must-have in their routines. Step 4. Moisturize your skin. Now that your skin is clean and refreshed, it's time to lock in moisture. Korean skincare is all about layering products, and moisturizing is a crucial step to ensure your skin stays hydrated and healthy. The goal is to maintain a well-balanced moisture barrier that keeps your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. Koreans focus on using light, hydrating moisturizers that won't clog the pores but still provide long-lasting hydration. Step 5. Make your own detox drink. We've been treating our skin from the outside with masks and toners, but now it's time to treat it from the inside out. Hydration and detoxification are key to achieving a clear, glowing complexion, and Koreans have long understood the importance of nourishing the body from within. By drinking detoxifying beverages, you can help your skin stay refreshed and rejuvenated. Detox drink number 1. Blend 1 lemon, 1 apple, 2 carrots, and a small piece of ginger together. This detox drink is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties that help cleanse your body and support your skin. The vitamin C from the lemon brightens and evens out your complexion, while ginger reduces inflammation and carrots promotes healthy skin. Detox drink number 2. This is a simple detox drink for my lazy girl. Slice a lemon and cucumber, add them to water, and sip it throughout the day. This refreshing drink is perfect for keeping your body hydrated, which is essential for healthy skin. Cucumber helps soothe and cool your skin, while the lemon provides antioxidants to brighten and rejuvenate your complexion. Koreans emphasize the importance of treating your skin from both the outside and the inside. These detox drinks are a simple yet effective way to cleanse your body, promote hydration, and support a glowing, healthy complexion. With these simple Korean DIY remedies, you can achieve glowing skin naturally. Keep up the routine, treat your skin well, and the results will speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!